Unless you become empty, nothing will come in. So this is the principle, and this is the warming up also. When you sit down, put the light, 5 minutes you look, or first you sit down and make Om, or then you see the light. So this is the beginning, what we can say warming up, and also looking to Om. Now we should sing Om in a note. A particular note is there. Everybody has his own pressure. It is not that this note or not. So, Om, Om, Om. After lastly you close the mouth. Then when you sing little on the halfway you close the mouth. And then you just start and close the mouth. You understand? So the pressures will increase and it will go more inside and absorption is more. So when you do Om, Om. Now I stop little half. Okay. So I say Om, Om. I think that you see how the other space is also occupying inside, because the sound is changing. It is not simply sound like when my mouth is open, the sound is different. When the mouth is closed, the sound is different. But when it starts moving inside the other cavities, sinuses, and it is going, then it is, a sound is different. Like we say overtones or something. So we say Om, Om, You see, listen to the cavity. So it is, and then slowly the mouth you can keep open or close, it doesn't matter. Let the air directly take a pressure and go inside only. So we can say it is a little after practice, and not to try on the first month or first days or first weeks, or sometime it takes 2, 3, 4 months also. And sometimes it is very difficult to even stop and listen. People do this. This is not right. This is crying. The child is always doing, nothing happens. This not. No. The Brahmari is a different movement. So this Brahmari we want to learn, but afterwards. So how the Brahmari goes, first of all, this sound goes directly up, and then inside only, and then you can move also the sound, and that is inside, like maybe after singing. Om, Om, Om. Little you can entertain, and that sound also moves inside when it comes straight. Like while going, you can move him. So, slowly by practice, we have to understand when we have the meditation in the morning and evening, we say. Why? Because after food and then you are a little relaxed, and that time the meditation becomes easy. When you need to little sit down in the morning when you are fresh, that all the body cooperates properly, and then that time you can meditate. It's not a big ritual. So this particularly aspect, there are 4 aspects. One is a prayer. What is a prayer? Prayer is to learn to appreciate. I tell you, most of the problems are all because you don't like something and you criticize. It may be your person, it may be your relative, it may be your house, it may be food, it may be salary, it may be work. Is what type of breakfast today you have? Come to the office and say, oh, how long this chair now, which is not so comfortable. So much work you have kept. Every day, so many files I have to do what others are doing. And so he makes all these mistakes and I have to find out. He is sitting inside, no, there's boss. Everybody is criticized only. The moment you start saying that, what type of breakfast, what type of chair, it is late, oh no, traffic jam. Always people, somebody, a woman I know, she gets maximum tickets because she is always conscious of traffic jam. So I say, we always say that the God which you worship or remember everything will happen, will come in your life. She will say, you come at 4 o'clock, start at 2:30 because there is a traffic jam. From there she will start telling me. Then we go, and come on, now we go out. If we are lucky if there is no traffic jam. One car just moving, somebody is driving. And then she says, look, how people are driving. Then traffic jam. Then no parking place, no traffic jam. Somehow, somewhere we reach, park the car, and then you get a ticket for parking. You get pictures in between because you have thought of that. Now the road is clean, so I can go faster. So the speed you criticize. To learn to stop this or to learn to stop criticism is a technique called prayer. You can pray anybody. You can pray Balaji that, wow, the jacket is good. I know. You say, oh God, you look so nice and your flute is shining and your kangan are shining or whatever. He knows everything. They have bought it. When I bought this jacket, I know it is red and it is good or it is not good. I have not bothered. If you criticize, I say it's nice. I have not bothered. Kitna din jacket? How much time I should spend for buying jacket? Please understand, this prayer is very important. So in the beginning, always start your day with some prayer. Just open the eyes and say, wow, today it's bright. Maybe my number has gone down. Just appreciate. And then you wash yourself and sit down for meditation. No, bath is even not necessary, but if you take it is a shower or like this, it is good. And then you sing Om, get warm up, 10-15 minutes. If you continue for 20 minutes or you can make 10 minutes and you can make 10 minutes pranayam. Means just a deep breathing or like if you can. Deep breathing, it is very difficult. You don't know what pressure it is going. When people sing Om, they make like this. Om. How many notes he had taken? So same thing will happen when you are only breathing. Here. Up and down. Only when you hear and sing, you can maintain the pressure. The note you can maintain. So when you say, Om, I know that I am not making Om. This is the changing of pressure. So the breath should not be haphazardal. And therefore people, when they ask me, I say, deep breathing is easy, but Omkar is more easy because it gives the result perfect. And then Same thing in the evening, and after this prayer, put the lamp, 5 minutes. You will be surprised, we don't today go further. Still there are different varieties or different pressures and subtle things of Om. Sometimes we can do this. We have to today, because so many people want to live, and therefore I was thinking that at least I tell you that it is the Som, Om, and giving you all four aspects.